how to maximize our financial opportunities. Now, this first example is based off of the legal plan and ID Shield that I just went over. Everyone starts at the associate level and you work your way up to executive director. When you market a membership personally, you're going to earn anywhere from $80 to $416. When someone on your team markets a membership, you're going to earn anywhere from $20 to $336. Now, if you look to the left, remember I talked about that bonus money? Well, just for hitting those two levels within that prescribed period of time, you'll be able to earn up to $700 in bonus money. Now, look, I know it says 30 and 45 days, but listen, most people do it within their first 4 to 5 to 7 days. Here's what I need for you to understand. We will run as fast as you want to run, but we'll also walk as slow as you want to walk as well. That's your decision. But let me give an example what this actually looks like. Let's just say that you are a senior manager.